Hi guys, how are you all doing today? You're all welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer Chris, and in today's video we'll be talking about micellar water. Now, what is micellar water? What is it used for? How do we use it? What brand of micellar water should you get? What brand of micellar water is suitable for your skin type? What brand of micellar water has the best review? What brand of micellar water should you stick to? If you want to know the answers to all these questions, continue watching. So guys, today we'll be comparing three micellar water. Three brands of micellar water. First off, we're talking about the simple micellar cleansing water. All right. Second, we're talking about the Neutrogena skin detox micellar triple micellar water, and the third one is this Nivea Radiant Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 micellar water. Yes, we'll be talking about these three micellar water. Now, if it may interest you to know if you are into skincare, or maybe you want to get into skincare, I'm sure you'll be confused. What products should you buy? What products are suitable for your skin type, and what products should you not buy? Okay, now let's start with skin type. I hope you already know what your skin type is. I hope you already know what skin type you have. If you don't know, we have like a couple of skin types. Number one, we have the dry skin. Number two, we have the oily skin. Number three, we have a combination skin. That is to say, you have dry skin and you have oily skin. Number four, we have, as for me, I have a dry skin. That is why I always buy moisturizing products, because I have a dry skin and I must moisturize. I must. Morning, noon, and evening, I must moisturize. Okay, so it's good for you to know your skin type, so you would know what product is suitable for your skin type. All right, now let's talk about this one. This Nivea micellar water is for people that have normal skin and people that have combination skin. Okay, people that have normal skin can use this particular Nivea 3-in-1 micellar water, and people that have combination skin is suitable for these two skin types. Okay, then this simple micellar cleansing water is suitable for dry and sensitive skin. So you already know that I have dry skin, and that is why I got this one, because this one is going to moisturize your skin. That is why it says water boosts. It's going to moisturize your skin. So the next one, this one is for all skin types. So no matter the skin type you have, you can use this Neutrogena skin detox triple micellar water. Okay, so for me personally, let me go in details into this three micellar water. I'm going to tell you the one that I love best, and the one that I don't like at all, and the one that I am in between. All right, so let's talk about the simple micellar water. Yeah, this one is for dry skin and sensitive skin. It gently removes makeup and instantly soothes. See, enough of all of this blah 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 written here. Let me give you my experience. Now, my experience is, when I use this one, it's not a 100%, like it doesn't remove the makeup 100%. Okay, so it's gentle on the skin. Of course, everybody knows that simple products are gentle on the skin. Yes, of course. When you use it on your face, it soothes. Okay, so if you're having burns, or you're having redness, or you're having itching, this micellar water will soothe your face. I don't know if it contains aloe vera, but I'm sure it contains a lot of soothing properties. That is why it's calm on the skin. It's just like you applied ice water on your face, or cold water, or a chilled bottled water. That is how this micellar water feels on my skin. So this one is really soothing. I prefer to use it in the afternoon, probably when I just come back from work where everywhere is hot and I want to take off my makeup, and then I'm going to use this one because it's going to soothe my skin. Like, it's going to soothe, it's going to give me that, oh my god, cooling property, cooling feeling. Okay, I have to use about 2 or 3 cotton pads with this one because with the first wipe it doesn't really do the magic. Okay, it doesn't do that magic with that first wipe, but yeah, as you use it, you really have to use it on your liners and your mascaras. If you wear liners and mascaras, you have to thoroughly clean that place for it to clean very well. Talking about your lip stain, your lipstick, your lip gloss and all that, I think I have to do like 2 or 3 wipes before it will cleanse it. It doesn't clean with one wipe. Okay, so the lip area takes like a lot of time to clean with this simple. So overall I would rate it a 6/10. Yeah, I'll rate it a 6/10. It's gentle, it's mild, it does the job. Okay, yes, it does the job. So if you have sensitive skin, go for this. If you have dry skin, go for this. It will moisturize your skin. Okay, so let me read out some of the things that it contains, the ingredients. So it contains plant-based prebiotic triple purified water suitable for vegans. All right, so yeah, it contains glycerin, contains citric acid, contains lactic acid, and nothing spectacular. It's just a micellar water. It does the job. It's mild on the skin, so I'll rate it a 6/10. Will I buy this again? Will I repurchase? I think so. Why? Because it's not all the time that you wear heavy makeup, so it does the job and it's soothing. And you know, when you're into skincare, sometimes, like last week I forgot to wear my sunscreen. Not like I really forgot though, but I was in a rush, so I got this redness, and this one is it's a good fit if you have redness or itchy skin, because it's sensitive, is suitable for sensitive skin. So I'm going to repurchase, but it's not like my top on the list. I'm going to repurchase. I'll try the one with the blue, with the green cover and the green color. You know, they have 2 types. This one is the water boost. So if I'm going to repurchase, I'm going to try that one with a green color. I want to know what it is so that I can stick to which one of the 2 I want to be using from Simple Products. So it's a good buy. It's a good buy. The next on my list is Neutrogena Skin Detox Triple Micellar Water. So it says here that it targets 100% of toxins and daily pollution, 3-in-1. It removes makeup, it purifies and it softens the skin. And it is in a 400 ml bottle, and they said you can use it up to 200 times. So it's for all skin types and it's gentle on the skin. It's a blue color. Now, what attracted me to buy this micellar water is because of the color. Can you see? Like a lot of micellar waters that I've been buying, they are transparent in color. See, this one is watercolor, meaning it does not have color. Even this one is transparent. So when I saw this one, it has this beautiful sky blue coloring going on, and I really liked it. And I love the packaging. Like, I love the bottle, I love everything about the packaging. When it comes to packaging, this is beautiful. This one, I give it to them 100/100. Like, the packaging is beautiful. Can you see? I'm attracted to the color, I don't know why. And then, in fact, 100/100 for the packaging. Okay, so now it contains water, it contains citric acid, sodium, and yeah, just what micellar water should contain, nothing much. So this one, I bought it for 5,500 naira. It's quite affordable. Okay, and also, how does it smell? It smells yuck, terrible. It smells like chemical. It smells harsh. I don't like the smell. I don't like the smell at all. I don't like it. I'm sorry to say, but I don't like it at all. I'm sorry. I will not purchase this one again, except if Neutrogena has another kind of micellar water. But you see this particular one, I'm not buying this again. I love the packaging, yes, but it smells horrible. I don't like the smell. Each time I want to use it, I have to close my nostrils because I don't want to perceive it. Imagine you having something that you don't like the smell and you're using it. Okay, now apart from the smell, does it do what it says it does? Well, it does what it says it does, but it leaves this kind of oily finishing. Like, why? I want to clean makeup from my face and it's leaving this kind of oily finishing on my skin. I don't like the after um feel of this micellar water. I don't like the after feel. It doesn't wipe like 100%. It leaves oily finishing on my skin and I don't like that. So this one has to be like the least on my stash. This one has to be like the least. I only like the packaging. I don't like the smell. If I'm supposed to rate this, if I am to rate this, I'll rate it like 5/10 or even 4/10. Personally, from my own experience, because I don't like it and I'm not going to buy it again. So, but if you've used it and you liked it, no problem. Yeah, I mean, we're different people. I don't like it, I'm sorry. So nah. So for this simple, it smells in between, not good, not bad, not special. Like it doesn't have this special fragrance, it doesn't smell bad, it's just there. For the price, I bought it 8,000 naira. It's not pricey and it's not like it's really cheap. It's affordable. It's 8,000 naira. It's affordable. Okay, so yeah. For the packaging, it's just there. It's just a simple kind of thing going on. You know, their products now, everything is just simple. If I will rate the packaging, I'll say a 5/10. It's not like the best packaging I've seen so far. This packaging is beautiful. 10/10 for the packaging. 10/10. This one for the packaging is, let's say, 5/10, 6/10, kind of. It's an average, and then it's in a 400 ml bottle, and it's written here that you can use it up to 200 times as well, just like this one. So now let's talk about the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 Micellar Water. So this one is for normal skin to combination skin, meaning that if you have a normal skin, this will suit you. If you have a combination skin, this will suit you. So it's written here that it deeply cleanses, removes makeup, and refreshes and tones. It contains vitamin E and provitamin B5. So now for the packaging, it looks like a baby product to me. It looks like, you know, this baby like the Johnsons, like it just looks like a baby product to me. It looks like one baby oil that I've gotten for my baby before. It's not bad, but it's not the best packaging I've seen. Even the bottle looks kind of funny. Okay, so it's in a 400 ml bottle, and yeah, meaning that it's the same size with this. Okay, they are all 400 ml bottle. And then what is contained here, let me read the ingredients for you. So yeah, it contains water, it contains castor oil, contains citric acid, contains sodium sulfate, contains, yeah, just a random normal micellar water ingredients thing going on here. Okay, so now how much did I get this? I got this for 4,800 naira. Yeah, from a Nivea stand. You guys know that Nivea has stands in different supermarkets and skincare product stores. So this one is directly on the stand of Nivea, and I also, you know, saw that they have a representative in that particular store that I got this one. So the place I got this one, you will see so many different Nivea products. Nivea for dark skin, luminous, the even tone cream, in fact so many products. So I just picked this one. So I think that is why it's about 4,600. I don't know for other skincare vendors that are selling, maybe they may be selling more than that, but for me I bought it 4,600 or 4,800. Yeah, That's how I bought it, so it's really affordable. Now, does it do the job? Yes. Yes, I love this. I so much love it. I'll give it a 10 over 10. You see, with this micellar water, double cleansing is made easy, because with one wipe you're going to clean. If you have brows, like for now I don't even have brows, these are my natural brows. With one wipe you're cleaning your brows, with one wipe you're taking off your eyeliner and your mascara, with one wipe you're taking off everything. It's magical. You see this one, it's magical. This has to be my best, as in it is so good. I love it. I want to use it both morning, afternoon and night. I mean, I don't know about it doing that even tone whatsoever. I have not noticed any. But when you say micellar water, when you say does it removes makeup, yes. It doesn't leave any residue, it doesn't leave any oily finishing, just the way this one leaves an oily finish on my skin. This one doesn't. It just cleans it, like everything is quickly clean. I don't know how, I don't know what they used to do this for, but will I recommend? Yes, 100% I recommend this. Will I purchase? Will I repurchase? Will I buy it again? Yes, I'm going to buy it over and over and over again until I get another one that does the job more than this one. But for now, this has to be my absolute best. So guys, I really love this one. It does the job. It has a neutral smell, doesn't smell bad, doesn't smell good, it's just there. It's quite affordable. I recommend 100%, and I'll definitely be repurchasing this one. This is good. This is my absolute best. This is my absolute not best. This one in between, in the middle. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.